Your legs are getting weaker, and your dinner plate is one of the biggest reasons why. After 65, your body starts breaking down muscle up to 3 times faster than it rebuilds it. That process has a name: sarcopenia. And it quietly steals your strength, your balance, and your independence, one meal at a time. Most people never connect what they eat to why their legs feel heavier on the stairs, or why getting up from a chair takes more effort than it used to. But the research is clear, and the fix is more specific than just eat more protein. Stay for number 3. It is the one food most seniors eat regularly, but in completely the wrong amount. Your body after 65 needs more protein than it did at 40, not less. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults need up to 60% more daily protein than younger adults just to maintain the same amount of muscle. Most seniors are getting nowhere near that. So here are 7 foods that can genuinely help you stop that loss, starting today. Number 1, eggs. The first food is one most people think of as a breakfast item and never give a second thought. Eggs, specifically the whole egg, not just the whites, deliver a complete package of 9 essential amino acids your muscles need to rebuild. One large egg contains about 6 grams of high-quality protein, and research from the University of Illinois found that the fat in the yolk actually helps your muscles absorb those amino acids more efficiently. 2 to 3 whole eggs at breakfast gives your body a strong anabolic signal first thing in the morning, when your muscles are most primed to receive it. If you have been told to avoid yolks for cholesterol reasons, have a conversation with your doctor. The guidance on dietary cholesterol has shifted significantly in recent years. If you take blood thinners, ask your doctor before dramatically increasing eggs, since the vitamin K content can interact with certain medications. Next up is a food most people never think of as a muscle builder, but the science behind it surprised even researchers. Number 2, Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is not the same as regular yogurt, and that difference matters enormously for your legs. A single cup of plain Greek yogurt delivers between 15 and 20 grams of protein, roughly double what regular yogurt provides, along with a type of protein called casein, which digests slowly and feeds your muscles over several hours. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that slow digesting dairy protein before bed significantly reduced overnight muscle breakdown in older adults. Plain, full-fat or 2% Greek yogurt is the best choice. Flavored varieties are often loaded with sugar, which works against muscle building. 1 cup in the evening, about an hour before sleep, gives your muscles something to work with while you rest. If dairy causes you digestive discomfort, a lactose-free version delivers the same protein benefit. If you have been reaching for Greek yogurt at night, tap the like button. This channel exists to give you information like this that your doctor's appointment simply does not have time to cover. And keep watching, because number 5 is something most seniors already have in their pantry, but hardly anyone uses it correctly. Number 3, canned salmon. Here's something worth knowing. Half of all Americans over 60 are not getting enough of this next one, even though it is one of the cheapest and most complete protein sources available. Canned salmon, not just fresh, delivers about 25 grams of protein per 3-ounce serving, along with omega-3 fatty acids that research shows directly reduce the inflammation that accelerates muscle loss. A 2021 review in Nutrients found that older adults who regularly consumed omega-3 rich fish lost significantly less muscle over time than those who did not. 2 to 3 servings per week, whether from a can or fresh fillet, is the target. Look for wild-caught varieties packed in water rather than oil, and pair it with something acidic like a squeeze of lemon to help your body absorb the calcium from the soft bones. The one caution: if you take blood thinners, keep your intake consistent rather than dramatically increasing it, and loop in your doctor. That brings us to the halfway point, and it is worth pausing for a second here. The real enemy is not aging, it is not even low protein. It is the gradual, invisible nature of muscle loss that makes most people act too late. These foods work, but only if they become habits, not experiments. Number 4, Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese fell out of fashion decades ago, but it is making a quiet comeback among people who understand what their muscles actually need. A half cup of low-fat cottage cheese provides about 14 grams of casein protein, the same slow-digesting protein in Greek yogurt, along with leucine, the specific amino acid that acts as the trigger for muscle protein synthesis. Research from Maastricht University found leucine is the single most important amino acid for preventing age-related muscle loss. Low fat over full fat, because older adults often have reduced stomach acid that can make high-fat proteins harder to absorb. Mix it with a little fruit or a drizzle of honey if the flavor is not your favorite. The protein benefit is identical. And number 5 is the one that almost every senior has in their kitchen, but uses in amounts too small to make any difference. Number 5, lentils. Lentils are cheap, shelf-stable, and wildly underused by most people over 65. A single cook cup contains 18 grams of plant-based protein, along with iron and B vitamins that support the energy systems your muscles depend on. Unlike animal proteins, lentils also deliver fiber that supports the gut microbiome. And newer research from the journals Gut and Cell Host and Microbes suggests a healthy gut directly influences how efficiently older adults absorb and use the protein they eat. The practical key is pairing lentils with a small amount of animal protein or vitamin C. Either combination significantly improves amino acid uptake. Think lentil soup with a piece of salmon, or lentils with a squeeze of lemon and a soft boiled egg. Half a cup to 1 cup per day is the sweet spot for most people, but number 6 is the one that most seniors are eating, just at the wrong time of day. Number 6, chicken breast. Chicken breast is the most straightforward high-protein food on this list, but timing and portion size are where most people quietly go wrong. A 4-ounce serving of cooked chicken breast delivers about 35 grams of protein, but research from Maastricht University shows that muscles in adults over 60 can only effectively use about 40 grams of protein per meal for synthesis. Spreading protein across 3 to 4 meals throughout the day is dramatically more effective than loading most of it into dinner, which is what the majority of older adults do. 1 4-ounce portion of chicken at lunch and another at dinner, rather than a large portion at one meal, puts your muscles in a far better position to rebuild. If chicken feels repetitive, turkey breast delivers nearly identical numbers. Number 7, edamame. And last on the list, and possibly the most surprising, is one most seniors have never considered a protein food at all. Edamame, the young green soybeans you see at Japanese restaurants, deliver 17 grams of complete protein per cooked cup. Complete means they contain all 9 essential amino acids, which is rare for plant food. A 2020 study in Nutrients found soy protein just as effective as dairy protein for preserving muscle in older adults. A cup of shelled edamame as a snack or side dish 3 to 4 times per week puts you within reach of your daily protein targets without touching meat or dairy. Frozen edamame is just as nutritious as fresh and far more convenient. The one note, if you have a thyroid condition, very high soy intake may interact with your medication, so keep your doctor in the loop. Before we go, please share this video with someone you love who needs to hear it. A parent, a sibling, a neighbor who keeps saying their legs just are not what they used to be. Sharing it takes 5 seconds and could genuinely change the way they eat. Here's what you now know that you did not when you press play. Your muscles are not helpless, and the dinner table is one of the most powerful tools you have. Eggs, Greek yogurt, canned salmon, cottage cheese, lentils, chicken breast, and edamame. 7 foods that research backs and that fit into a real life. Your doctor means well, but a 10-minute appointment was never enough time to go through all of this. That is exactly why this channel exists. As always, talk to your doctor before making major changes, and take good care of yourself.